Welcome back to Furthermore Crafts. So I'm taking a buddy out axe throwing or tomahawk throwing because it's mostly going to be tomahawks. But it's his first time. He's pretty stoked about it, as am I. I've been doing it for quite a while, so it's always fun to get people into new things, especially if it involves nature and being out in the woods. That's where we belong. But at any rate, I got a special little treat for him. And he does not know this, but when he shows up, he just acquired a Kershaw Blur, and you guys know my affinity towards them. See the other videos. But I'm giving him a backspacer on that, one of the good gemmed ones. Just because I'm a pocket knife fanatic and I love stuff that is not around anymore. I'm going to throw him one of my CRKT Fossil models. Wow. The 5471K with the big old VEF serrations. And I know he digs these, so he's getting one of the raven skull plaques or bird skull plaques or whatever, and then some other decorative burning. It's a good time to have friends who are crafters. It's a good time to have friends who throw tomahawks. Thanks for stopping by.